Hello guys, welcome to It's our YouTube channel. Today I want to share you how to make money without investment. Website name is Zazzle. On this website you have to create some templates like postcards. For that you need an account. Using the link in description, you can register your account on Zazzle. If you tap on create, you will get different type of templates. For that you need an account. Let's create an account. For that you need to enter your email and password and sign up. After sign up, it will look like this. Here you can get all your best part is if you refer your friend, you will get $25 as a gift voucher, but you can redeem it in Zazzle account. You can sell anything like as shown video. Click any of the personalized logo. It's $3.5. Let's create our own. Very simple and easy. Tap on pre-program templates. Let's see. This one looks good, so I will select this. Just double tap on it, it will automatically. Let's add looks good. Let's adjust it. Yes, my logo is created. Let's download it. Yes, it's created. If you want to sell your products, you have to make tap on sell. Here you can see lot of options. Let's tap on make money. Sign up offers. save your store and start selling your products. You can see here logos, t-shirts, boards, everything is available. Zazzle is the most popular website where people love to purchase customized gifts. So by using this Zazzle, you will create your free templates, and without investment you can easily sell them on this Zazzle website. If anyone click on your logo, your template, and buy, you will get money from that. Here my store is ready. Thank you.